Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 113 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm going to be trying out another product that my boyfriend's sister Lisa got me. Thank you so much, Lisa. I can't believe how many makeup products she got me, and this isn't even the last of them. So this is the Ulta Beauty Cream Eyeshadow in the shade Rose Gold. I absolutely love Rose Gold. So a little about this product. It retails for $8 and it comes in 8 different colors. It contains vitamins E and C. It's paraben free and it claims to be creaseless and fast drying. The one thing I couldn't figure out in my research on this product was how you're actually supposed to apply it. Like with a brush, with your finger. I want to start out by trying applying it with my finger. Let's see how it swatches though. Ooh, so creamy. Oh my gosh, look at how gorgeous that is. Oh my gosh, when they say fast drying, they're not kidding. That like dried down within like 30 seconds. Yeah, I really liked applying it just now with my finger. That was really easy and quick. That's pretty. But that's not showing up with as much pigment as my swatch. Let's go in with a little bit more. Wow, that was definitely very buildable and it looks much more pigmented now that I put another layer on top. I'm kind of loving this as an all over color as like my one eyeshadow shade. It actually works really nicely, but I could also see this looking beautiful as a complementary color with other maybe bronzy shades. I think it would look very nice layered on top of other eyeshadows. It really is creaseless. And I have so much creasing in my eyelids, but oh my gosh, this looks perfect. I'll go ahead and apply it to my other eye and I'll come back with my final thoughts. Okay, the eyeshadow is applied to both of my eyes and I really love this eyeshadow. I'm loving the formula because it's so pretty. It has full pigment and it's not creasing. It feels so light on my eyelids. Like it doesn't even feel like I have anything on my eyelids. It's so fast drying and it doesn't smudge at all. Like this is not going to move. And I feel like the great thing about cream eyeshadows is that there's no mess. There's no fallout, there's no powder getting all over the place. You just place it where you want it to go and that's where it stays. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy that Lisa got this for me because I love it. I think I'm gonna have to go to Ulta and buy this in a bunch of different colors because this is probably one of my favorite eyeshadow formulas that I've ever tried. If you've ever tried out this product or other cream eyeshadow products that you love, I'd love to know about it in the comments down below. I'm definitely going to continue to wear this for the rest of the day. I feel like it looks so pretty. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.